Hi, welcome to Siemens NX 12 video tutorial, the next part in the WW-109 fighter plane series. Now I want to model that tail of that plane. So therefore I need my image, so bring it back, and I will also need those boundary surfaces, should be somewhere over here. And now let's have some fun with Siemens NX. Okay, next I need a sketch on the main sketch plane because I want to draw section M right there. Confirm. And section M is somewhere down below over here. Let's add some construction lines. These should be for construction only. And I will need some arcs. A small one up here, which should be tangent, of course, to the upper line. Yes. Another one down below, again a small one. Maybe like this. Okay. And then a very, very big one for the most part here. So let's start maybe down there, maybe here, and go up. Don't snap. Maybe up to this point. And should look something like this. And I don't need it to be tangent right now because I want to add fillets. So that would be okay. Then I need a fillet here if possible, so go for a fillet. Let's see if that's possible. Yeah, maybe like this. Okay. And up there as well. Or I have to go for a 3-point arc because I think a fillet will not work. So let's go for a 3-point arc. This looks quite good. Okay. And I need it to be tangent here as well. So that might not work. We will see. So this one and that one should be tangent. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, that's okay. Great. Finish that sketch. Now in order to proceed I need some more curves. I need this profile here. So I want to edit one of the first sketches, which should be feature group. Where is it? It should be there. Main body boundary, yes, there it is. I want to change that sketch. I want to edit it. So I will need a line here, which maybe goes from this point up to that point. Okay, then I need an arc, which starts right here and goes maybe over here I want it to be tangent, at least at that point up here. Let's adjust this a little bit. Maybe like this, okay. And maybe like that. Yeah. Then I need another arc which starts at this point and goes down to that point. Again, yeah, snap onto the upper tangency. That would be okay. And then I need an arc or a fillet here. So let's go for another arc which starts here and goes onto that curve here, and let's make it like this and add tangency afterwards. Let's try. So this one here and that one should be tangent as well. Select this arc and that arc, go for tangency. Yeah, that's kind of expected. So let's remove that one and let's go for a fillet. That's easier to do. Go for fillet from this arc to that curve here. Maybe just like that. Okay. Then I need a fillet or an arc here as well. So let's go for an arc. Should be on this one, maybe like that, and add tangency here. Yeah, that would be okay. That lifted this up a little bit, so maybe drag it down if possible by, oh, that's not as easy. But maybe it will work. Let's see if there's an update error. No, it worked quite well. Great. Now I want to move that M section onto the correct plane. Therefore, hide that picture here. Go to the last sketch here and copy this profile, Control C. Then make a new sketch on plane M. In this case I have to reverse the direction and confirm, and go for Control V and paste it. So where is it? Over there. Let's move those handles only. Now bring it over here. Let's go for OK. And I need those two intersection points. So go for intersection of this curve here. Apply. And that one here. Okay. Let's try to align it a little bit more. So go for not, there it is, go for move. I want to move these. Bring it over here. And don't snap if possible, at least right now. Okay, maybe hide that surface here or not. Let's see if I can do it anyway. Let's go for another move command, and I want to move these here, if possible from point to point. So go for point to point from this point here, that's the one, to this point over there. and OK. Now let's try to adjust this. So those 2 points should be aligned. So this point and that projection point this one should be coincident. Yeah. Let's move up and see if we can move this down, if it will work. Come on. Not really. So let's take a closer look. Maybe I snapped onto something. I hope not. Let's see. Oh, that's okay. Let's try to move this point onto that point here. That would be another intersection point, hopefully. Nope, not here. Let's zoom in. So I want to get this point here. Yeah, that intersection point. This one, and I want to put it right there. Coincident. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. So I have to adjust this. Go up there, don't snap. Maybe like that. Yeah, that's more like it. But I've got a circle here. Great. So undo. Let's try once more. Go for Alt and select that point and move it up. Let's see how close we can get before it maybe like this. That should do. Yeah, looks okay. And finish that sketch. Okay, let's trim that curve here with a plane, with the split plane. So go for curve, trim curve, select the feature curve, yes. Select as splitting object the split plane, and I want to keep the lower part. And confirm. Now it would be nice to have some sort of surface here. And I might need a spine. Or could I do it without a spine? I think a spine would be nice. So let's go for a sketch on the main sketch plane. Confirm. This would be a line, of course. Maybe like this. Not a 3D line, but a normal sketch line. And this would be in the split plane. Collinear. That point would be in the M plane, coincident, and that would be another plane, that would be the plane before, I suppose. So that would be, I suppose, the L plane. Yes, L plane, and that point should be aligned as well. Finish that sketch, and now I would have a spine if I need one. Let's see. Switch to surfaces and see if we can do a surface here. In order to get a through curves mesh, I need a second guide which goes from this point to that one, but it should be tangent to that edge here. So in order to get one, I will do a through curves mesh. No, a through curves. So let's go for surface, through curves, select this one here, make it tangent here. That would give me a tangent edge as well. And the last section would be, of course, this one here. Reverse the direction and select those arcs as well. No, that's the other way around. And I want to go for, that's okay, let's go for alignment angle. Yeah, that's okay, go for that direction. The point would be the end point here. Doesn't really matter, I just need an edge which is tangent to that edge, that's all. So let's confirm. Because this one is not tangent here to that one. So we'll need just that edge here. Now I want to use that sketch again. That sketch, this one I suppose, yes, bring it back. And let's trim that, and I want to keep the other side. So go for curve, trim curve. That would be a feature curve, yes. And the trim object would be the split plane, and this one here. Yeah, it's already there. And I want to keep this side. And okay. Now let's go for through curves mesh and see if it works. Through curve mesh, I want to use, hopefully there's not another problem here. So that would be the first one, first face. Second primary, I need not tangency, so that would be the last primary. Add those small arcs up there, not visible. Now it's there, that's okay. And one cross curve would be, of course, this edge here, and I want to have tangency to this surface. And the last cross would be this edge here. So I've got another problem. No problem. So let's see if we can go for tangency here. So let's go for tangent and select not single face, but maybe tangent faces. Yeah, that would work. But is there an option? I could go for a spine. Let's see if I go for a spine. Would that spine work? No. Doesn't work, so let's deactivate it. I can go for emphasis both, construction normal. If I go for spline point simple, let's take a look if that's a better option. G. Yeah, that might work. No other option here, so let's confirm and take a closer look. Yeah, it's okay. You may have to adjust some curves to get a better result. And if I go for the normal one, yeah, it looks okay. So let's confirm this. Now let's hide that one. Now I want to do another one here. So go for a through curves mesh. That would be the first one. That would be the second one here down below. Yes, that's okay. One cross curve would be, of course, this one here, and the second cross curve would be that one here. So I need tangency here, no tangency there. First cross and second cross. Again, that could be better. See, that's not as good as it could be. So let's see if we go for normal. This looks better. Again, if you want to have a better surface, you have to adjust your sketches a little bit. And let's confirm this. Okay. Sorry. Now the last step would be to get another, maybe a fill surface or another through curves to fill that void here. Okay, let's hide the sketches. Okay, I need that edge extracted, so go for more, go for extract geometry, go for composite curve, yes, and I want to select those 4 segments and confirm. Now I could hide this extrude, this one, and of course that one. Now I want to mirror those 2, or I could sew them and mirror them, but let's go for mirror, home, mirror geometry. I want to mirror this one and that one, and it should be mirrored at this plane here, and that would be the main sketch plane. So let's go for invert and go for main sketch plane and confirm. Nice. That's sort of crazy. Here it doesn't look as smooth as here. Is there an option in that mirror? Copy thread, specify plane, preview. No, there is no option, so it should be really the same. Anyway, let's go for through curves. Through curves. Select edge, edge. Give it those 2 surfaces as tangent condition. Select these here. Again, turn this around, and another set, those 2, and again turn it around. I could adjust those points, and these 2 should be for the tangency condition. So I went for perpendicular, obviously, and for points, which gives me in this situation the best surface. Of course, you could adjust your sketches and you could adjust those options. So if I go for points, I can of course adjust those points. So if I move this a little bit up, I could even add more points. But that should do. Or reset those points, bring it back. Because there's a small nudge. So if I go for isoparammetric, it's an even bigger one. Change it to arc length. No good. I think perpendicular would be one option. And if I go for parameter, yeah, that gives me here nice. No, it's not nice. So go for single and go for arc length maybe, or points, and it's okay for me. And confirm. And I've got my tail. So that's it for this video. So hope it was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook fan page. Would be very nice of you. I want to get more likes and subscriptions over there as well. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.